Hi everyone, welcome to Storeino. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add brands to your store in our platform. When you log into your account, go to Products and then go to Brands and click on New Brand. As you can see, we have this page that only requires some simple information about the brand. First of all, we have the name of the brand. And as you can see here, we have also the link of the brand, and it was automatically taken from the name of the brand. We can leave it as it stands, and we can also change it if we want. For example, I'm going to add some random numbers to the name of the brand, and we have here the description of the brand. This step is optional. You don't really have to add a description of the brand, but if you have any description, just go ahead and write the description right below. And for the last step, we have the image of the brand. I'm going to select this image and insert it in the information of the brand and click on confirm. As you can see, it was successfully added to my store, and I can find it in the brands section. And we can also add a new brand to our store. We can have multiple brands at the same time in our store, just following the same steps I show you in this video. That was everything for this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments or contacting our support chat, and we will be sure to answer as soon as possible.